Hey guys, what's going on? It's Storm Spotter Curt Yowell here. First cone is officially out for a Florida hurricane, and this one is really looking pretty bad. Now, when I say pretty bad, I'm going off of the big time forecasts that the National Hurricane Center puts out. And looking at that, it looks to me like, what would that be? That would be invest 14L, which is Hurricane Milton, or Milton, I should say. Milton is expected to slam directly into the Florida Panhandle. Yes, Floridians, you heard me right. A direct hit to you guys. You know, I try not to mince words on this channel. I tell I try to tell it like it is. And from what I'm seeing here with Milton, let me just go over here to the wind most likely. It looks to me like the tropical storm force winds will start arriving Wednesday at around 8 a.m. And I'm sorry, guys, I have my phone on a tripod here. So, Wednesday at 8, Wednesday at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, with the biggest threat here with landfall being storm surge. And I don't mean to sound too dramatic, but you guys better have your hurricane preparedness in crucial order because you guys are going to need it. So I'm going to end the video here. Please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. It's been good, guys. I'll keep you guys updated if I can, as much as I can, but for right now, this is Storm Spotter Curt Yowell, and I thank you for watching. Keep your focus on your passions in life, guys, and things you enjoy doing. You'll get there because trust me, I'm doing it. I'll see you guys later.